In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden emails on Gmail. This guide is designed to help you uncover those seemingly elusive messages that you know are somewhere in your inbox but just can't seem to see at first glance. We'll be walking through some simple steps, so whether you're new to Gmail or simply need a refresh, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your preferred web browser. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of options like your inbox, sent mail, drafts, and so forth. What you need to focus on here is the section labeled More. This section often goes unnoticed, but it holds the key to finding those elusive emails that you might think are lost. Click on More and you'll notice that the menu will expand, revealing additional labels that aren't always visible by default. This is where some of your emails might be hiding. Scrolling through these options, what you're looking for is the label titled All Mail. Clicking on All Mail does exactly what it sounds like. It shows you everything. This includes messages that are in your inbox, as well as those that might be archived, which are not typically seen in your standard view. Once you've clicked on All Mail, you'll have a comprehensive view of all the emails in your account. Things that may not appear in your usual inbox, drafts, or archives can be found here. It's a bit like turning on the lights in a dimly lit room. Suddenly everything comes into focus. As you browse through All Mail, remember that this includes every single email, even if they're not sorted into specific folders or categories. This is where those hidden emails often reside. Keep an eye out for older exchanges, or any messages you might have mistakenly archived or marked as read without recalling. One useful tip here is to use the search bar at the top of your Gmail interface. You can enter keywords, names, or subjects related to the emails you're trying to find. This will search through the entirety of your emails, making it even simpler to locate that tricky missing message. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have greater control over your Gmail and can manage your messages more effectively. Remember, the More button is a powerful yet commonly overlooked feature, and utilizing All Mail provides a holistic view of what's in your account, and there you have it, a simple, effective process for uncovering those hidden emails in Gmail. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your inbox with greater ease and efficiency. If you found this guide useful, feel free to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.